One of the most effective things you could do as a plumber is be proactive. I've found that the best way to be proactive is to basically stake out neighborhoods so that when they inevitably call for assistance, I'm already there.
But I prefer to do it in an unmarked vehicle. That way, I don't freak out the homeowners and I blend in like a civilian.
How's it going? You see the game last night? How was your toilet?
You the plumber I read about on the Nextdoor app?
What makes you think I'm a plumber?
The All Britain shirt.
It could be merch.
Is it?
All Britain has been trusted by the Central Valley since 1932. I think you know that. And therefore, I think you know that I can't lie. So yes, I am a plumber!
I think it's strange that a plumber is staking out my home.
Let me ask you something. Are you a clog?
No.
You don't look like a broken wax ring. Are you a broken wax ring?
No.
Are you a faulty fill valve?
Not since the last time I checked.
Then you have nothing to fear. It is not the homeowner that needs a plumber, but the toilet.
Okay. Cool.
I'll be here when you need me.
That's awesome. Okay. Have a good one.